Many people complain about their upper belly, also called distended abdomen, due to the discomfort caused by it, which can even affect your daily life. It is caused by an abdominal distension that causes bloating, usually above the belly button. Contrary to what many people think, the upper belly isn't related to belly fat. Many times it is a genetic thing or some kind of food intolerance. The upper belly happens because of the abdomen's distension caused by intestinal issues. Some intestinal issues also favor the occurrence of the upper belly because of inflammation in the intestinal structures. This leads to the production of gas and abdominal swelling. People who suffer from constipation, intestinal infections, diarrhea, or irritable bowel syndrome, for example, can have an upper belly. Poor eating. Eating foods high in sugar or fat can cause upper belly because they ferment, producing gas and leading to abdominal distension. The way you eat can also cause an upper belly, especially if you eat too fast, chew too little, or when the interval between meals is too short. These factors also favor weight gain and the buildup of fat in the abdominal area. Eating too much food at once or intolerant foods can also cause upper belly. Genetics. The upper belly can also happen because of genetics, appearing even in thin people or those who eat well or exercise regularly. Sedentary lifestyle. The lack of physical activity can also cause the upper belly since foods are stored as fat, causing abdominal distension. Besides the abdominal swelling, there may also be discomfort and trouble breathing, depending on how serious it is. Other issues are poor digestion, malaise, and an increase in the risk of intestinal inflammation. The way of dealing with this issue varies depending on each case. Talk to a nutritionist or gastroenterologist to help identify what needs to be done in your case. Liking the video? Then give it a like and share it with your friends to help the channel. It is also worth noting that the main treatment for the upper belly is your eating. It is recommended to drink water throughout the day, at least 67 ounces, but don't drink it during meals. Have at least 5 meals with less food in each one. Avoid eating heavy foods at night. Reduce your consumption of sugar and fats. Also foods that cause intolerance, such as milk and byproducts, for example. Eat more fiber, fruits, and vegetables. They improve intestinal function, preventing not only constipation, but also the upper belly. Eat slowly and chew well. Avoid talking while eating to not swallow air. Soaking legumes help with gas and abdominal bloating. The idea is to soak it for 24 hours, changing the water every 6 hours. Another helpful trick is to cook your legumes with a bay leaf or ginger slice. Digestive teas can calm and/or improve digestion and reduce fermentation. Ginger tea is a good example of digestive tea, as well as lemon balm and boldo. Increasing your consumption of probiotics can improve intestinal permeability, thanks to the good bacteria of probiotics that influence the proper digestion of foods. Avoid excessive consumption of alcohol. Practice physical activities regularly, including exercises aimed to strengthen the abdomen. If none of these things works, or if your upper belly appeared suddenly, you must talk to a doctor. Medical supervision is essential to ensure that the cause of your issue isn't some sort of condition that requires specific treatments. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.